Maybe with the George Foreman Grill, I won't have this sink full of dishes to wash. It's a great day in South Carolina. This is Karen with Xanadu Muse, and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you stopped by. I hope you maybe hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, or the thumbs up. Is it the same? I don't know. Well, welcome. I hope you stick around for a while. Today's video is a little bit different than the usual videos that I put out, which usually are just hauls. I'm trying my best to get away from them, the hauls. That's why I'm doing less and less videos, because I don't want to do less. I'm doing less and less hauls because I ain't got the money for that stuff. I'm going to use what I have. Anyway, if you had seen my Christmas video, I got this George Foreman Grill. So we're going to unbox it. We're going to plug it in. We're going to read the instructions. Actually, we're probably going to read the instructions before we plug it in. And then we're going to attempt to make a hamburger. We'll see how that comes out. So stay tuned for the video. Time to unbox this George Foreman Grill. It would have helped if I brought scissors. Over here. Right now I look like a hot mess because I just cleaned the litter box. The laundry room where the litter boxes are. It takes me forever to do that. Are you ready? Come on. The glass needs to be cleaned and it's squeaking. Alright. We got the instruction booklet. We got the tray that the grease comes off of. So you got styrofoam that you can put in the recycling bin. Even though it says recycle, but our recycling bin won't take it. And then we got the machine itself with the plug. Open it up. Ta-da! Well, it is open. Okay, I am going to read the instructions. Serving, grill, and panini. 2 serving. I'm going to read this real fast, and I will be back. Okay, I finished reading the instructions. It was literally this page right here. So, I am going to make a burger, and it's supposed to take 46 minutes. And we'll see how it turns out. If it doesn't work, I'm going to go to plan B, and here's plan B. So I am going to clean off the space on my kitchen, and we're going to make this burger. Update on the progress. I decided to make tater tots. Apparently it takes 10 minutes to preheat the oven. So it takes longer to preheat the oven than it does to cook this burger. Anyway, I thought I'd show you what I got at the Dollar Tree, because I only bought, actually I bought 2 items, but I'm only going to show you one because the other one was a refillable spick and span, and you can use your imagination on what that looks like. The other one is this plant doohickey. I'll show you a picture of them because I got 6 of them, with a stack of them, and I got it for my stepdad for a gift. You can't really see it in the video, but I'll show you a picture of them all stacked together. I'm pretty excited about it. I saw somebody haul this in a different video, and I'm like, I want these for him, and I'm glad I found them. I didn't expect to find them. Wish I could have gotten 10, but alas, I got 6. Well, I'm waiting for the oven to preheat, and I'll be back. Has anybody ever seen this on a plug? What's the point of it? I don't get it. Now I'm going to really have to go find scissors or a knife or something. They don't tell you how to remove that in the instructions. Ugh. So I'm going to preheat the grill according to the directions. Oddly enough, it says in the instructions for hot dogs, level grill position, and for burgers, tilted grill position, there's only one position that I can find. See? I mean, I can't find it doesn't come out. So I don't understand unless it means for a different model. And these don't come out. Or they don't flatten. Anyway, plugging it up. That goes right there, I believe. Ready? Right here? Right here? Something? There we go. Alright. Oh, sorry, you weren't in focus. I got the drip pan. There we go. Drip pan in. It's warming up. It's red. It's plugged in. And I'm cooking my tater tots. And I'll be back when I'm ready to put the hamburger in. Light is green. And per instructions, it says to lift the lid up with a pot holder. This is the only thing I have. Lifting the lid up. I'm going to take my hamburger off the saucer and place it on there. Oh, sizzle. Place the lid down. And it says between 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to give it 5 minutes because it's a kind of a, ooh, that's hot, toasty. I'm going to give it 5 minutes. Set the timer. And I know I shouldn't do this, but I'm spick and span. Haha. Juices are already dripping down. I hope that is a good sign. I got 1 more minute to go. Should we peep at it? Would it be wrong to do that? Alrighty. Peep at it again. Haha. Alrighty, let's open it up and take it out. Oops, you know what? I wanted cheese. I meant to put it on a paper towel. Oh my goodness. So now I know 5 minutes was too long. It's crunchy. I want a crunchy burger. See what the other side looks like. Yeah. Oh. I'm cooking bacon. Can you put this back on there? Let it melt real quick. See what happens. Yeah, I forgot about the tater tots. They're a little bit browner than I usually like them, but they're not burnt, so I'm good to go. There's the cheeseburger. A little overcooked, We'll give it a try next time. And there it is, my completed dinner. I like to put barbecue sauce and the onion thingies on it. I don't use the most expensive bun. I use the cheapest Walmart bun. The bacon's just a little crispier than I like, but when you make it in the microwave, I know. I cook my bacon in the microwave. It's like playing Russian roulette. Sometimes it's perfect, sometimes it's crispy, and sometimes it's raw. Well, until next time, stay calm and cook on. Well, I forgot to give it a review. I give it 2 thumbs up. That hamburger, though slightly overcooked, was really good. So, I recommend the George Foreman Grill to anyone who can or cannot cook and wants a quick hamburger. I wish my voice activation would work on this phone for the video. Situate myself. It's a great great day in South Carolina. This is Karen with Xanadu Muse, and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you stopped by. I got a very different video than I usually post. I haven't been posting much, so what am I talking about, right? Anyway, I'm doing an unboxing and a reviewing, and I see if I can't burn this. Take two. It's a great day in South Carolina. This is Karen with Xanadu Muse, and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you stopped by. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification if you want to be notified when I post a video, which isn't that often. Oops. Ooh.